Yeah, back here. Yeah, we are at the back of my EMCO solid one, and yeah, we have to strip something. First, I remove the cover. It's maybe not necessary because it's just the gearbox. But hey, every millimeter of space in here is space. You know. So just have to loosen some screws here. Oh wow, it's dirty. Yeah, I cleaned some gears when I got this one, but yeah, not really. I wanted to use it and not clean a heck out of it. But yeah, there's a lot of dust in it, so you can put off this covering. And yeah, as you can see, it worked in a wood shop for some years. Yeah, and this copper is from me. But yeah, that was wood dust. And yeah, let's take off this cable, and I hope you can see it. There's wood dust. Whatever. What else? So yeah. Let's take the knippy. Whoop. Let's see, we got some screws here. But wait. I got these screws only one time. And if they are gone, nobody wants it. Yeah, we are unplugged, of course. Don't juice in it. And as you can see, this machine is some decades old. Nobody uses blades anymore. So, covering looses. Oh, there's coming some dust out of it. And welcome to my nightmare. Yeah, I didn't open it before. This is the capacitor, and yeah, as you can see, it worked in a wood shop. So I'll bring you back when I was in here with a vacuum. All right. The earth screw was the back screw from this old Bosch capacitor. It's what's microfarad? 12 picofarad, 450 volts. And yeah, it's not blown up. It's closed. I think this one is not that bad. All right. I can see no really damage on the wiring now. The earth is. I will check this one. It looks loose. All right. Let's see. Yeah, as I said, I'm an electrical no-brainer and know when I see what I got here. But this cable seems to be blue, so this is the blue side. And this cable is black. So this is the black side. Just for idiots like me. So I take it off. It's hidden a little long. Come on. Alright. That's my old Bosch capacitor, whatever. Doesn't look blown out. So yeah, we'll see. And now I got the rest of the wiring. The switch is loosened above here. Maybe the ring is broken. I don't see it. No cables left. Okay, I have to go into it. But first, I will take off the motor as well, because if we are diving into it once in a lifetime, then we do it right. So just for the record, I marked all these wirings where they have to go in, the switch on the panel. So here's the motor, here's the back covering, and there are only 4 screws. Maybe I can show you. And so this whole 1 millimeter thick steel part comes loose. Yeah, interesting. Here's our spindle. Here's our dust. Here are my last chips. And here's a motor. And this one is a solid 8 millimeter steel plate going all around, and it's housing all the gears. Yeah, and you can span the gears, or span the, how do you call it? The belt, of course. You can span the belt. Now it's tight, so the spindle moves by the motor. And now, if you don't use the lathe, you can loosen this one, and the belt is loosened too, so it does not get damaged when you don't need it. But this, I'll show you later, these belts are very thin. This one is very solid belt. It's from the motor up here, and you can put the small belt on many options to get the desired speed. So, not our purpose. We got this box with some wood on it here, and now we can get out this. I just don't have to lose my you know, where I've marked where my wires have to go, but that's not the problem. I got photos of it because we are on YouTube. So now out of here. And so we are rid of this very solid casing. As I said, it's 1 millimeter of steel plate. Rigid one. And so what's left here is the motor. I think it's bracketed to the housing. This is a solid cast iron housing with M13. And yeah, we have to dive in it. Just let me have a look before I show you. Yeah. So I took off the covers, the housing, and yeah, this is the switchboard, on off security. I checked them all. I got passed through where I looked at it. I don't know how to check the capacitor. It looks not bad, but it's not blown out or anything. But yeah, I ordered a new one. It's only $8 and it's half the size, I think. So no problem. We will see what we get, and then we fix all this. All cables are marked where they have to go. There are a lot of photos from it, so no problem, I think. But I will take off this motor as well. When I'm down to this point, why not? Why not look into it? Why not take it off, learn how to fix it or how to take it off, and then I will try to mount my Chinese brushless motor with the BFD, and then we'll see. But first we'll take off this motor and then check if it's alright, because all the wiring, I think we are good. Alright. So let's take off the motor. It's got M10 bolts, or not? Oh, no, they are M10. Two ones up here and two ones down. Just take off this. I think it's M17 or 19. 17. It's always 17. All right. Yeah, it's more of a dust collector. So, yeah, everything falls down, and here we got a part. And the old man must go to the ground to fetch all this. Okay, it's a spanner ring. Can you see it? And I point on it again. And this one needs a cleanup. Alright, that was a belt. The other belt. Whoa, there's... Oh. I think I have to bring you around. As I said, the upper parts, the screws are very good, not too bound. And sitting on here for 35 or 40 years. By the way, the capacitor is from 1985. Can you see it? Maybe not. There's 8 August 85. Not that deep. So let's look under it where my other screws are. Just take off this can. So I pivoted the whole lathe a little bit to get access to the screws for the motor mount. Or what? Oh yeah, here it is. All right. Ooh, okay, we clean up this mess, and then we see. Oh, that's the washer. What's wrong? Or in principle, this motor is covered from all sides, so the fan is only blowing the dust through this fins, and the whole motor is closed, so there can't be some dirt in it. But just give him a clean up, and then we'll see. So, made a new setup for this kind of work. Oh, an old stand. I don't know where I found it. Flea market. And yeah, just an aluminium rod and a clamp secured by M10. Going up to my camera, and so I can turn her left everywhere. And to the other side to my second camera. Or smartphone, you know, on this old lamp stand. Yeah, it's working, I think. And now back to the motor.